It's in these, the items, and you can make this easily at home. How to make homemade almond milk, and it's quite simple and very easy. I'm starting with some rinsed organic almonds. I have some vanilla for flavoring, some water, and some sweet dates. I add in the almonds here. Use they have a smoothie setting on here. I'm gonna link this blender in my description box as well. And it's gonna get quite noisy in a minute, so it usually takes 30 seconds. I like to cycle through 2 times to make this. So let's go. And we're gonna put the smoothie setting. So what you have here is some foamy homemade almond milk. I've actually blended this through twice, and then I have a sieve that I pour it into, and essentially what it does is separates the pulp from the creamy almond milk below. And I can actually, I'm going to link in the description box as well where you can get a sieve such as this, so you can make almond milk at home in literally 5 minutes. So what I'm doing here, or actually my daughter's helping me, is squeezing the pulp from the almond milk, and you can see, and just continue to squeeze. And I actually have some cool things that I do with the pulp that's remaining, but as you can see, she's doing a good job of squeezing that almond milk in there, and you can see that we have a good amount in the bowl. So I'll link all the stuff for you so you can know how to make it yourself at home. Here it is, creamy fresh almond milk. I'm going to pour it into this bottle here. I probably have more than enough to make my cereal and smoothies and all these other things that we make here, especially if you want to go dairy free. This almond milk has great consistency, it's easy to make, and I will link the recipe and everything that you need down below. Cheers!